What's up guys, it's Silverwolf here and I've got Cozmo with me here today because I want to show you something new in the Code Lab. Now this actually came out a couple of days ago to help celebrate Earth Day, but unfortunately I already did a video on that day and that was unboxing the golden furbling. So we'll be doing this one today. We've got some shout outs and they go to Gary O'Neill, Doris Paul, Red Cute Yoshi 64 and Verzal 277. So, in celebration of Earth Day, the Code Lab released this, Cozmo's Garden. And it says, celebrate Earth Day by growing a garden with Cozmo. I haven't actually had a go with this yet, so this will be my first time to do it as well. Make sure his cubes are up the right way. Okay, so line up Cozmo's cubes in front of you. Once you tap the start flag, Cozmo will choose 3 plants to grow using his cube's lights. Each turn, follow Cozmo's instructions to help grow the plants. Light all 4 lights to harvest. Harvest all 3 plants to win. So, line his cubes up in front of him, like that. And here we go.
Let's grow tomatoes, grapes, and broccoli. Ready, set, grow. Round 1. Sun. Smile to shine the sun on our plants.
Oh, here we go.
Round 2. Bugs want to eat our plants. Tap a plant to guess where the bugs are. Got 'em. Round 3. Bugs want to eat our plants. Tap a plant to guess where the bugs are. Hey, no fair bugs. Round 4. Bugs want to eat our plants.
Oh, I didn't tap fast enough.
Those sneaky bugs.
I thought he was going to ask me to tap again.
Round 5. Sun. Smile to shine the sun on our plants. Round 6.
Don't tell me bugs. Oh no, rain.
Watering can. Tap a plant to water it. Round 7. Watering can. Tap a plant to water it. harvested the tomatoes. Round 9.
Oh, here we go again. Bugs.
Bugs want to eat our plants.
Oh,
Hey, no fair bugs. Round 10.
is it bugs again? Oh, watering.
Watering can. Round 11.
Oh, bugs again.
Bugs want to eat our plants.
Oh boy. That one? Yeah, thank goodness for that.
Not this time. Bugs.
Please be sun next so that we can harvest both of them at the same time.
Round 12.
Watering can.
Watering can.
There we go.
We harvested the grapes. We harvested 2 out of 3 plants. We are pretty good at this.
It was those pesky bugs. So I thought it would just go on until obviously all of them were harvested, but apparently not. If I had got those bugs right in the first time, there was 3 watering cans and I reckon I could have harvested all of them in the least possible moves, but never mind. Anyway, try it for yourself, it's pretty fun, and let's see who can harvest all of them. And maybe I'll have another go later. Anyway, this is Silverwolf signing off, and as always, don't forget to click the boxes that come up at the bottom of the screen to see more of Cozmo. And I'll see you next time. Bye everyone!